examine,
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 examine. We need to examine this question more carefully.
examine,
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 开始呗。
examine, examine.
OK。OK。
To look over closely.
OK. Look over closely. OK。Examine. After examining.
Examining the kittens, Mr. Doctor
Washer.
brought them back. Well, the kittens look just fine, he said, but I noticed Albert keeps scratching and kicking, licking. I am afraid the kittens might be the cause of this.
OK. That cause Albert scratch. OK。
Could I take a look? Of course you can,
Maya.
Maya said, looking slightly worried. The vet took Albert for some tests. A little while later, Dr. Washer returned. Something in cat fur isn't good for Albert.
Albert is a dog. OK。 Cat fur.
I am sorry, but Albert cannot be in the same house as these kittens. Oh no, Maya sighed. Albert rested his head on her lap.
Gazing. OK. Just stare. Gazing.
Sadly at the kittens. He seemed to understand.
He means Albert, the dog.
Just when Maya thought there was nothing she could do, she had an idea.
Debbie,
Maya's best friend and neighbor, loved cats. Let me make a call, Maya said. As soon as Maya told
Debbie
about Albert and the kittens, Debbie's voice burst out on the other end of the phone call. Mom, Debbie yelled. Mom, some kittens need us. Can we keep them, please?
Good. OK. It's the last part.
Debbie's parents were almost as excited about the kittens as she was, and the best part that was that Albert could visit them wherever he wanted, enough though he'd need a bath afterward.
Afterward means after he visited the kitten, that Albert needs a bath. Surprisingly. Okay. Surprisingly. It's an adverb. Surprisingly. Do you remember this one?
Examine.
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 Actually, this explanation is very good.
To look over closely.
Okay.
Surprisingly.
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 Surprisingly. In a
Surprising manner. Okay.
a surprisingly faster
Runner. Okay.
Surprisingly.
surprisingly adverb
Okay, spell it.
surprisingly surprisingly
You see, adverb, most lot of adverb has ly at the end. Surprisingly. Unusually. Unexpectedly. Unexpectedly. Okay. Okay.
the kids were surprisingly well behaved during the
Sleepover. Good. Okay. Surprisingly. Unexpectedly. Okay. Surprisingly.
Albert didn't seem to mind
Mind.
at all.
Okay, mind. Mind here is a verb. Okay. Mind. What's that?
Surprisingly.
Good.
Surprisingly.
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 Adverb.
Okay, unexpectedly. Okay. Mind. No, don't make that noise.
Mind.
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 Mind. Mind can be used as a noun. Here it's a verb, okay, in that sentence.
Verb.
Okay. To be bothered by something, okay.
To be bothered by something. Mind it
Greatly.
greatly. Mind it greatly.
Okay, it means,
It bothers me very much.
okay, I mind it greatly. Okay, it means it bothers me very much.
When people are
Rude. Okay, I mind it greatly. Okay, it bothers me. Okay, I don't mind the rain.
I don't mind the rain.
Okay. Okay. What's up?
Verb.
Okay. Okay. Care.
Race. Care. I don't mind him. He's always
Complain.
Care.
Okay. Okay. Albert didn't seem to mind it at all. Okay, he doesn't care it. Okay, it doesn't bother it. Okay, bother him.
What is the main conflict of the story? I and Albert cannot keep the kittens they found. Maya is scared of strong, strange, strange sounds from the bushes around her. Maya and Albert struggle to find a way to save a lost cat. Maya is upset that Albert has to go to the vet.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah. Conflict. Okay. There's some problem that needs to solve. Okay, let's do this.
What does Maya realize in the climax of the story?
Okay.
She can't find the kittens a good home that is still nearby. She loves Albert more than she could ever like the kittens. She might want to become an animal doctor when she grows up. The vet is the best person to take care of the kittens.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
This one. Submit.
Okay. 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 This border. Okay. Border fonts. Okay.
Look at the text in bold. How does this section impact
Good.
the story?
Good.
It shows how Albert is acting around the kittens. It shows that Maya may not be as much of a cat person as she thought.
Okay, a cat person means I think it means a person who like cat. Okay, it shows Maya may not be as much as a cat person as she thought.
It provides a reason why the kittens might have been hidden under the bush. It is
It is the moment
that Maya
realizes
she needs the vet's help.
Okay. Okay, let's read it, this part. Okay.
To Maya's surprise, Albert stuck his head under the bushes. Then he let out a quick sneeze when Maya bent to look at. She spotted two tiny kittens. Sweet Albert, Maya said as she looked at the kittens. I hope Mom lets us keep them. Albert
Okay.
gave the kittens a friendly look. lick. Then he rubbed his face on Maya and scratched his side.
Okay, let's stop here.